Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to connect an Ultrahuman ring. So first step is connect the Ultrahuman charging dock to a power outlet using the provided USB-C cable. So when you plugged in, let me just quickly plug in this USB-C. Alright, so is it just a moment, like that. Now LED light indicator on the base dock should turn purple to show it has active power. As you can see, it is. Now slide your Ultrahuman ring onto the dock. The LED light will start blinking white and confirm it is seated properly and charging. So let me put it in just like that. And now you see the LED light turned white. Now leave it to charge for at least 15 to 30 minutes before trying to synchronize with your app. All right. So in between, download and install the latest Ultrahuman app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. And yeah, let's do that. Okay, so when you install the app, open the Ultrahuman app and log in or create your profile. And now you will basically see on this ring tab on the main navigation bar that you can connect ring. So keep the ring sitting flat on its active charger base during this entire process and tap here connect ring. You will choose here which ring you have. So we have ring air, so we will click on that and then continue. Now you see here what you need to do. So yeah, continue. Purple, okay, continue. We did that. And as you can see, charge for at least 30 minutes. As I mentioned before, you will need to allow to basically location. Now it will search for link in nearby. When your specific ring device pops up on the screen, the name usually starts with UH. Tap it to approve the Bluetooth pairing handshake request on connect now. And yeah, this is pretty much it what you are going to do. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next